अभी आपको बताएं, इंग्लैंड और पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट टीमों के एजाज में इस्तकबालिया वजीर आजम शहबाज शरीफ तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं। आपको बराह रास्त लिए चलते हैं।
Commissioner Lahore, he was a great fan of cricket, and we used to get from government college, go to his office and get cricket passes from his father. So that's how we know each other. Doctor, I learned today that you have been promoted and transferred. Remember, we have been beaten by English team, but you will be here till we beat English team in Multan, and then you can go. Well, I wish you best of luck and enjoy your evening. A couple of, I think, historic moments as today is. You have won, and we really, appreciate your capacity and your wonderful cricket spirits. But then we must also remember Fazal Mahmood, the hero of Oval. We must also remember Hanif Muhammad, late Hanif, the little master. And I was very young. I watched this match in Lords back in '68, and he played a wonderful innings. He scored 187 runs, and he was not out. And I remember next day there was a cartoon in one of the daily papers taking him out on a bed, that this is the only way we can take him out, otherwise we can't bowl him out. And then of course Asif Mahmood, Colin Cowdrey, he took his wicket with a late in-swinger. So I think these are historical moments between our team and English team. I think I'm not wrong, and I can't be contradicted, and I can say with fullest authority in my command that Pakistan enjoys a wonderful relation with Britain, and cricket is one of the factors. And Britain has always supported the people of Pakistan's cause, democracy, and supported Pakistan's well-being, brought investments through DFID in education and health. And I think this is one common area of passion between Britain and Pakistan, and that is cricket. I think your visit would go a long way in building bridges, and I wish you a very comfortable stay and happy moments in Pakistan. And thank you for accepting my invitation to be here this evening. And young boys from Pakistan cricket team, I wish you best of luck. Babar Azam is here. He's anchor sheet of our cricket team, and all of you, I think, make a wonderful team, and you have exhibited wonderful qualities in the recent past, and I have no doubts that you will continue enhancing your level, and one day soon you will again regain your place in the cricketing world. Finally, I would say that I remember a day of cricket match between Pakistan and New Zealand. Shafkat Rana, is he here? I don't think he's here. Shafkat Rana was facing Dick Motts, and Dick Motts was a tall, medium-pace bowler, and Shafkat had scored 96 runs, and stumps were drawing. I think it was very close to, last over, and Shafkat was double-minded that whether to, hit a 4 or 6 and do his century or the next morning. Somehow he couldn't. So he came next morning, there was dew, and then he was facing Dick Motts, and he probably sent him to mid-wicket, and he was caught at deep mid-wicket. That was, I think, one of his very sad moment, because he was a young, very enterprising, batsman, and won't negotiate with fast bowlers as he would with spinners. But then he walked towards the pavilion very slowly, and he reached, and a fan came to him. Shafkat, a very bad luck. Now this is in Urdu. He said, mera luck bada kharab hai. I have a very bad luck. So this was a moment I would never forget. And then in Australia, our cricket skipper Intikhab Alam with who's our fast bowler those days? Salim Altaf. Salim Altaf and Intikhab Alam are facing their the world's fastest bowler, and he was racing. Intikhab Alam would take ball on his left thigh, right thigh, on his chest, shoulders, and this and that. At the end of the over, Salim Altaf walked up to him, said, "Skipper, well done. What a brave man you are. You have faced him so very well with courage and determination." He said, "Yes, Salim, but tell me, which is the way out?" So, ladies and gentlemen, this has been a wonderful evening. Sir Michael Babar is here. I think he's a great friend of Pakistan and supporter of Pakistan's education and health system. Thank you, Sir Michael. Thank you all. Enjoy your evening. Pakistani Britanniya dosti zindabad. Thank you.
इंग्लैंड और पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट टीमों के एजाज़ में इस्तकबालिया इस्लामाबाद में वजीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे थे। उनका कहना था कि 17 साल बाद इंग्लिश टीम की पाकिस्तान वापसी एक तारीखी इक़दाम है। पाकिस्तान दूसरे टेस्ट में कम बैक करेगा। वजीर आज़म का कहना था कि बड़ी कुर्बानियों के बाद पाकिस्तान में अमन कायम हुआ है।